For over 20 years, Rotoweld has been the worldwide reference in the pipe spool prefabrication industry. This is the Rotoweld 3.0, definitely the most advanced pipe spool welding work cell available today. It integrates machine vision, adaptive control, and robotics technology to deliver complete, high-quality, full-penetration 1G girth welds 5 times faster than manual welding. The core of the Rotoweld technology is its unique, vision-based root pass penetration control system. It allows any operator, even with little or no welding experience, to perform high-quality, full-penetration girth welds with just a few hours of training. Operating like the welder's eyes and hands, the system continuously analyzes the image of the weld pool picked up by a video camera incorporated in the welding head. Special image processing algorithms use this information to adjust welding parameters such as travel speed, wire feed rate, arc voltage, and even weaving width, constantly adapting the process to varying conditions such as changes in gap, alignment, root face, or even temperature. The 3.0 is a totally re-engineered Rotoweld. All aspects of the machine, including mechanical design, servo controls, computer and software, were re-engineered to take advantage of all the latest technologies. The simplified PLC-based electronics were designed around standard components available in almost any country. This significantly improves Rotoweld's reliability and serviceability. The most visible change is the addition of a robotized manipulator that allows all the necessary flexibility for torch positioning in various machine configurations. For example, on the GMAW model, the same welding torch, wire feeder, and power source can be used to perform both the vision control root pass and all subsequent fill passes. Using electronic mass flow controllers, the 3.0 mixes its own gases from pure CO2 and argon gas bottles. The more advanced model includes 2 separate work bays and rotators to maximize the work cell's throughput by allowing reloading of one work bay while welding in the alternate one. The motorized welding carriage travels between work bays along a continuous track system, but also guides the idler rolls, thus maintaining perfect alignment over the full length of the machine. One of the most appreciated features of the Rotoweld is its user-friendly operator interface. For each pipe size, thickness, and material, welding programs comprising individual parameter sets for every successive fill pass can easily be developed through offline or even live editing of welding parameters. Teknar was founded over 25 years ago with the single mission of delivering advanced welding automation to the pipe prefabrication industry. In that regards, the Rotoweld 3.0 is the quintessence of all those years of experience in this field and certainly represents the absolute best of what Teknar has to offer to the industry.